The police in Westmoreland are in possession of a knife that was allegedly used by the sister of the now-deceased burn victim to inflict stab wounds on the pump attendant who allegedly set the woman on fire last month. The new details were revealed in court today. Kimberly Petty reports.
Things have taken a different turn for Renisha Forster now that her sister Daisy Forster, who was set on fire last month, has died. She made her first court appearance today after being formally charged for unlawful wounding. At the time, she was granted station bail in the sum of $80,000. However, Senior Parish Court Judge Kadeen Barnett Plunkett revealed that in light of the allegations, she has decided to review the decision of bail, increasing it to $100,000 with one surety. Conditions were also imposed to her bail. She is to surrender her travel documents and also report to the nearest police station twice per week. However, Forster's attorney Dion Miller Barrett argued that the restrictions were a bit much, given that her client was only charged for unlawful wounding. In reading the allegations into the matter, the clerk of court revealed that Forster was in possession of a knife which she pulled from her waist on the day of the incident and stabbed the pump attendant. It was also revealed that the weapon was retrieved by the police at the gas station where the fight between the sisters and the pump attendant happened. Ms. Miller Barrett denied the allegations against her client as she contends that the size of the wounds from Swaby's medical report are not consistent with a knife-inflicted injury. The attorney argued whether the Crown will continue with a minute case of unlawful wounding or with the greater picture of murder, suggesting that both matters be consolidated as her client would be a key witness in her sister's case against Swaby. The matter is set for mention for April 16. Kimberly Petty for TVJ News.